Over the last 2 years, we have witnessed one of the biggest technology gold rushes in history. Companies rushed to buy AI licenses. They launched pilots. They formed AI task forces. Many were afraid of being left out. And honestly, that's understandable. Every major technology shift creates winners and losers. But something interesting is happening now. Behind closed doors, executives are starting to ask a very uncomfortable question. Are we actually getting a return on all this AI spending? The honeymoon phase is over. We have entered the era of AI reality check. Some organizations have spent millions on AI tools, copilots and agents. Yet many leaders are still struggling to point to measurable business outcomes. And that's creating tensions. Because technology budgets may tolerate experimentation, business budget demand results. Hype makes you move fast. Discipline keeps you move forward. Hi, I am Girish Mukim, an AWS architect, AWS ambassador and a community builder. I help steer customers in the right direction and no change in that in AI world as well. Organizations have invested heavily in AI. But if you ask many business leaders today, they are still trying to answer three basic questions. What productivity actually improved? What new revenue was generated? And what operational cost actually decreased? These sounds like simple questions, but they are surprisingly difficult to answer. The technology industry loves impressive demos. Business leaders care about measurable outcomes, and that's a big difference between the two. A chatbot answering questions is interesting. Reducing customer service cost by 20% is valuable. An AI assistant generating content is interesting as well. Companies are beginning to realize that using AI and creating value with AI are not two same things. A good demo proves something can work. ROI proves it should. So why are some organizations struggling to see measurable or meaningful outcomes? In most cases, the problem isn't the technology. The technology is remarkable. The problem is how it's being applied. Many organizations started their AI journey by asking, where can I use AI? That sounds reasonable, but it's actually the wrong question because it puts technology before business value. When you start with the technology, you often end up automating tasks that don't matter. You build solutions looking for problems. The organization getting the best results are asking a different question. What business problem are we trying to solve? Only after answering that question do they evaluate whether AI is the right tool. Because at the end of the day, nobody gets promoted for implementing AI. They get promoted for creating business value. Intelligence is knowing how to solve a problem. Wisdom is knowing which problem to solve. When you look closely at enterprise AI adoption, 4 common challenges appear again and again. The first is poor use case selection. People naturally use AI to automate tasks they dislike doing. But the tasks people dislike are not always the tasks that creates the most value for the business. The second challenge is cost. Every prompt has a cost. Every model invocation has a cost. Every agent action has a cost. At enterprise scale, small decisions become large invoices. The third challenge is adoption. Giving employees AI licenses does not automatically create productivity. People need training, they need guidance, and they need clear examples of how AI fits into their work. Otherwise, many quietly return to their old habits. The fourth challenge is data. AI is only as useful as the information it can access. If your most valuable data sits behind governance control, legacy system or disconnected platforms, your AI will struggle to deliver meaningful results. The reality is simple. AI doesn't magically fix broken processes. It amplifies whatever already exists. Bad processes become faster bad processes. Bad data becomes faster bad decisions. AI is multiplier. Multiplying by 0 is still big 0. That brings us to one of the biggest mistakes organizations making today. The belief that every problem needs an AI agent. AI agents are exciting, they can reason, they can plan, they can choose tools. They can make decisions dynamically. and in the right situation, they can be incredibly powerful. But not every business problem requires the level of intelligence. If a process is predictable, rule-based, and repeatable, an AI agent may actually be the wrong solution. You don't need an expensive model reasoning through a process whose outcome is already known. You need a workflow. A workflow is faster, cheaper, more predictable, and easier to govern. We have spent decades learning how to automate business processes. Let's not forget those lessons while chasing AI. The goal should never be maximizing AI usage. The goal should always be to maximize business value. If the answer is already known, reasoning is unnecessary. AI is one of the most important technologies of our generation. Remember, AI is a tool. It's not a strategy. The companies that win won't necessarily be ones spending the most money. They won't be the ones running the most agents, and they won't be the ones generating the most tokens. The winners will be the disciplined organizations, the ones that focus on business outcomes, the ones that understand cost, the ones that choose the right problem before choosing the right technology. Because the future isn't about putting AI everywhere, it's about putting AI where it actually matters. And perhaps that's the most important question leaders should